What's up guys, we're back at the channel and today we're going to be starting the 5-minute workout routines, 5-minute intense body weight workout routines, and we are going to hit the tricep first. Enough talking and start workout. Okay guys, so there are 5 exercises, each one of 1 minute, and we're starting with the tricep dips. Okay, so guys, we go on the mat. We can also do this on the mat. We go on the mat, then we do it. Or you can even, if you're a bit advanced, then you can go on the bench here and then do a tricep dip. Okay guys, but I'm going to show you the body weight version on the mat. So this is for 1 minute. Keep that tension in the triceps, guys. You can also do the tricep tension dips, which are like, you don't go too down, stay up. You give a little tension to the triceps and keep that tension set. But I'm gonna go with the basic version. And 20 seconds to go, guys. And we're done with this exercise, guys. As quick of the transition as you can do, guys. And then the next one is going to be the tricep dips extension. So guys, we keep our hands a little like a wide grip and then extend the triceps to here. And you can also keep your hands like this on the side, not like this, or like this on the side, guys. You should extend your arm fully when you're doing it, so you can get that supination and extend. If you like the video, be sure to hit that like button and share this video to your friends. Come on guys. 20 seconds to go, guys. 5 that burn, guys. You should always get yourself in a zone where you can't feel the burn, and you can also think about other stuff or listen to music so you can avoid the burn. 10 seconds to go. And we're done this exercise, guys. Now we are going to do the next one, which is the diamond push-up. So guys, the diamond push-up is just like a normal push-up, but our hands are in a diamond position like this. So we go diamond push-up. And by the way, guys, it's not compulsory to go fully down because it's not that much possible to go fully down in this workout, in this push-up. You should always fight that burn, guys. As many reps as you can, guys. And this workout doesn't need to warm up necessarily, but you can do a warm up if you feel that you're gonna get a muscle pull off if you do this workout. Come on. Then say it's to go, guys. This workout is going to pump up your triceps like Arnold Schwarzenegger. And we're done with this exercise, and the next one's going to be the diamond push-up hold. So guys, we're going to do a normal diamond push-up, but then we're going to hold it on the mat. So guys, we're going to hold it right here for 2 seconds, and then go back up. Go on knees, shake it out a little bit, and then back on. Hold it here. Go on knees. Guys, if you think that you can't do this push-up, then you can always do the bench dips again. Then you can do the bench dips again and I'm going to do the bench dip this time. Bench dip for 1 minute, or you can even do the hold for 1 minute. And if you want to do the diamond push-up or the bench hold, you can even hold the bench here. So you can even do the tricep bench dip hold here. You can hold it here for a few seconds, then get back up. Okay guys, the last push-up, I mean the last exercise is the overlapping inner hand pull. So guys, we keep our hands like this. You can see our hands are going to be like this. Then as I was saying earlier, our hands are going to be like this. Then we're going to do the push-up. This is going to work your triceps from a different angle. It's going to hit the medial and the lateral head, but not the long head. Okay guys, come on guys. Be sure to take that rest if you want to guys, but it doesn't matter how much rest you take, but you should always get back at it and be there to the next time. Come on. Shake it out if you need it guys, come on. And guys, 20 seconds to go, come on, keep working. And you are done with the workout guys. Good job. We have completed one of the most intense workout in this 5-minute intense workout series guys. Good job guys, and subscribe if you like the workout, and also don't forget to hit the like button if you really like the workout, and also share this workout with all your friends and family. See you later.